What's going on, everyone? Uncle Jesse here. Today, I have a very special and fun video. I'm going to be unboxing a commissioned Captain America helmet that I had made by the wonderful Jordan Chapman over at Jordan's Iconic, is it ironic or iconic Armory? I'll have links down below to his socials there where you can see more details on that, but super excited about this. Yeah, the one and only Adam Savage also has one of these, and I think Chris, Cosplay Chris, has one of these, so I went off and had one made as well. But pretty big Captain America fan, and I think, you know, I've got that shield that's been up there for pretty much most of my videos. I've made an all-metal shield out of a sled. God knows how many years ago that was. That I've never actually put out the video. Maybe I should just edit that at some point. I still have all the footage. And then I think I have 2 or 3 other Captain America shields in various states. One's 3D printed, another is of one of these purchased, and I think another is of another variant that I have. Yeah, all in different stages, in different purposes for future videos, hopefully. But today we're going to be unboxing this and talking about what will hopefully be the amazing details that I'm looking forward to getting out of here and up on the shelf behind me, and more importantly, on my head from time to time. Yeah, I ordered this, I think two months ago or so, and there was probably about a month of a delay due to all of the shipping delays here in the US, and really excited about this. All right. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. This is incredible. Oh my goodness. The craftsmanship on this is unbelievable. I also requested that this be a weathered version of the helmet as well. I'm a big fan of the clean, but anything weathered over clean. It's supposed to look like, you know, they've gone through some battles, been through some fights. This is phenomenal. So it's got it all tagged up here as well. Yeah, I've got the leather straps on the inside. Oh my goodness, the detail on this is unbelievable. So it's got some metal straps here that I can unhook so I can put this in and get my head in there. Oh, nice. Yeah, some of this is printed as well, which is great, and I'm assuming all this is casted. Yeah, it's definitely cast. I can tell by the inside, but it's just oh my God, the quality and detail of this is amazing. All right, let's try this on. I'm assuming I might have to adjust this slightly further, but we'll see, and it's probably going to be a pretty tight fit on my big head. Talk about a perfect fit. Holy crap. I have no idea where the other buckle is now. That is so cool. This fit is just amazing. I am just in awe of how well this looks. This looks friggin' cool. It fits perfect as well. It was that nice, tight, snug fit getting on here. Oops, I'm supposed to have this on my chin, aren't I? Going for that bearded Captain America look here. Oh, this is a perfect fit for me. Holy cow. Really excited about getting this unboxed and set up here and having on display behind me. I've been wanting a Captain America helmet for quite a while. I ended up printing one myself and didn't really care for how it came out, so I never did a video on it or anything like that, and just went down this path after seeing folks like Cosplay Chris and, you know, Adam Savage showing off theirs. I needed one for my collection as well. Again, I'll have info down below where you can get in contact with Jordan if you're interested in grabbing one of these for yourselves. Huge thank you to everybody out there that's watching and subscribing, and if you got any comments, let me know down below. I'll be posting some more photos of this over on Instagram, that's for sure. Hey, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.